Hi everybody, this is Florian from Bavaria, and today I want to tell you about the hard work we have to do in the mountains. The first location we visited is called Tomizil. As you can see, they are equipped with the RMU 208. Further on you can see a 19-inch rack. In this location they are using 8 pieces of PM8500. In the outer area they are using the 802. The next location we visited is called Alra Shet, and Werner did the whole audio installation with Bose professional AMU 208 inside and the AMU 40 outside. On our last stop we went to a ski hütte to get the feedback on our sound systems. For me the conclusion, they're working really great in big outdoor areas, and it was a pleasure for me to see how we transport emotions through our speakers to the audience.